Oh no, not again! Oh no! Okay. Hmm.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Noble County, southeastern Muskingum County, southwestern Grimsby County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Zanesville to 9 miles east of Perry State Forest, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Zanesville, Cambridge, Caldwell, New Concord, Byesville, South Zanesville, North Zanesville, Dudley, Philo, Pleasant Grove, Senecaville, Pleasant City, Cumberland, Lower City, Old Washington, Bell Valley, Sarahsville, Dexter City, Adamsville, and Norwich. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Pittsburgh. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for the south.
Well, folks, I apologize for that, folks. I was trying to get out, but I was trying to make a new log recently. It went off again. So, folks, please don't mind.